Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to reset advertising ID on iPhone. So step 1, go to settings, then return to this settings page and scroll down to privacy and security. This is it. And here, click on tracking. And next to allow apps to request to track, disable this feature. Do you want to ask apps you previously allowed to track to stop tracking? Click on allow apps to click on ask apps to stop tracking, and then turn it on again. And then return to Apple advertising. This is it. And also do the same thing next to personalized ads. Turn it off and then turn it on. And this is how to reset advertising ID on iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.